Right then, just doing a quick test on this coil from my Zafira. I've got P0303 on it, and I just want to do a quick test before I go looking elsewhere, just to make sure that this coil's working. So P0303 would suggest that there's a problem with the cylinder, the third cylinder, and with these Vauxhalls you can't swap anything around because they're one unit. So I'm just going to do a quick test. Got my probe set up, I've got a battery there, 12 volts on it. Got it set up to the ground pin, so if you've got one of these are well worth having. So I'm just going to pipe. So the first one, I've got a light on, and then this one there's nothing. This one the light comes back on, this one the light comes on. So the continuity has been lost in this one, so there's nothing at all. This is just a very quick, easy test. Definitely worth having one of these. So that would basically secure the fact that I'm happy to change over the coil.